All right, so I'm going to get started by removing the lid air cleaner, the whole assembly here. It's already disconnected. So that is it. So choke here. That's that. Then we have this one is broken. So this one should just come right off. I also have to disconnect the fuel line, vacuum here, throttle cable. We have another plug here. There we go. Vacuum line. Okay, so this one should be a 5/8. So let's try this. Yep. Whoa. Okay. This shouldn't be this loose. Wow. What in the world? All right. So I do have a line wrench, the 5/8. Good. I'm going to put a rag under there just in case. Don't expect a flood, but you never know. There we go. Just a few drops of gas. There. And while we are here, we're going to disconnect this solenoid here. That is easy enough. And then we have to also disconnect the spring. And of course you have two long ones at the front and two shorter ones for the rear. I think I got everything disconnected except for this one here, but actually we can remove it from the valve cover. That is a lot easier sometimes. Let's see. Yep. Yep. Alrighty, so that is that. That is good and properly plugged. I have the PCV valve here, so that is in. hope you can hear me. I set the idle. Right now it's at about 800 RPM. And coolant temperature is at about 190, 195. So we're good there. And it's running really good. So all I did, I adjusted the curb idle screw, turned it out a little bit until I got it to about 800 RPM. So it is running well. That's the beauty of All-American carburetor. Again, that's all the adjustment I had to do. And don't forget, I did not install the solenoid, which has seen better days. I may get a new one. Someone did some repairs here, which, like everything else, they're pretty questionable. Okay, so I adjusted the choke because I had removed that the cover so I could go by the plug, and I guess I messed it up when I reinstalled it. So the car is still warm, about 190. So let's start it again, see what happens. I hope you can hear me. I don't have the microphone with me, but yeah, running really, really well. Let's see where we are here. It's right at 700 right now. No hesitation. Went back to about 8. And it settles. So yeah, it's about 195. Good oil pressure. And you know, the more you drive the vehicle, the better it runs. So that's going to be next. A few test drives, make sure that everything is okay. Right now it's about, I think that's the 200 mark, 195. And once you get going, it goes down a little bit. Yep, 750. Sweet. Let's call that a win. So I'm gonna let it rest until tomorrow. And I think the weather is supposed to be a little chilly tomorrow, which is fine. And we'll take it for a test drive, see what happens, see how it performs. But seems to be running well. And no fuel leaks. Perfect. All right, we'll see what happens tomorrow then.